What does $850,000 buy you in San Diego? Actually, Escondido. How about this? 578 Robin Hill in Escondido. So as we walk into this remodeled home, we'll turn right, head into this granite kitchen with stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, and this. Have you ever seen a fireplace inside of a kitchen? I doubt it. Walking into the primary, you have these nice south-facing windows, so lots of light. If you're light and bright, this is definitely the house. And the second upgraded bathroom with soft close and granite. You'll enjoy all this storage in the hallway. Going into bed too. Oh, look at that. You have that workout device. That's called a tonal, I guess. T-O-N-A-L. And for you mechanics, we have the snap-on toolbox that acts as a dresser for their son. And walking into the third bedroom. This is a west facing over this nice 1,200 square foot wraparound deck. And the large 0.54 acre lot, which we'll see in just a second here. Walking out onto this large deck, you'll notice all this nice outdoor space. Again, a 0.54 acre lot. We'll look down there at the RV parking in a minute here. So this deck, they have ping pong table set up. You could maybe put a hot tub or jacuzzi there. And so in this area, the lot line goes right along, as you see, to those trees down through this creek here. This shipping container will be removed. That serves as RV parking with a 50 amp breaker and cold water. There is no clean out there, so unfortunately no sewer. Down here, you could maybe build an ADU, have some of that residual income, or keep the beautiful yard and have your own private backyard. Now you'll definitely want to see the storage below, so let's go take a look. In this area here, we have probably about 60 feet by 30 going inward. This serves as toy storage for this client. Hard to see, but this is about a 10-foot ceiling. Again, maybe about, well, I'd say about 20 feet back. Store all your toys or gardening tools, things like that. And then of course the beautiful backyard. I don't know, would you want to put an ADU here or not? What do you think? This property is only about 30 minutes away from Temecula. You can be at the beach in 20 minutes, downtown San Diego in 30 to 35 minutes. So very conveniently located if you want to be kind of north of San Diego or south of San Diego or west of San Diego. So my name's David Domingos over here at eXp Realty. All of my information is in the description below. If you're looking to make a move into or out of San Diego, reach out. You can call, email, text, or heck, even set up a Zoom meeting, and we'll see if we can't help you find the right home or relocate out of San Diego. We'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you on the next video.